there's no one to play with. Would you like to come down and play with me?
I'd like to, Piglet.
There's no beehive in that tree.
That's why I've disguised myself as the sun.
Oh, maybe I can help. I'll dress as a sun and join you.
They might get suspicious.
I understand.
I'm sorry, or I'm bouncing. No tiger has bounced before, and that includes Piglet.
Eeyore, would you like to play with me?
No, not now, Piglet. Can't you see we're finishing Eeyore's house?
Should have known.
Oh, I'm sorry, Eeyore. If only I could find a very small friend to play with. Oh, oh, dear. Here it comes. Good. Here comes another one. Hi, you're very good at playing ball. You're the friendliest friend I ever had. I bet you know.
Playmate.
And he's talking to it.
All our fault. Shouldn't have ignored him.
Without make-believe ones, too.
I've got it.
A make-believe friend? By the way, what is the idea?
No time to explain now. Would you like to come out and play?
Oh, no, thank you, Rabbit. I'm busy playing catch with my shadow.
There's one thing Piglet can't resist. It's fireflies.
Yeah.
My very own net?
Why, certainly. Friend?
Oh, I can hardly wait. Come on out and meet my friends. Shadow? Where are you? He's run away.
Ooh, now the poor little fella's leaving himself make-believe notes.
Why, he's right.
Oh, how could I?
Finding lost shadows is what tigers do best. Ha-ha! The perfect shadow hideout.
It's probably somewhere less crowded. I know I'd be, if I were a shadow.
Oh, dear. You're not my shadow.
No, Piglet, it's mine.
But somehow it's sort of.
I know.
Oh, dear, it is bouncing.
Hey, come back!
It's running away.
Quick, after it.
This is all my fault. If only I hadn't ignored my shadow. Shadow. I must be brave. I must be brave. Oh, dear. No, I'm not there either. Oh, what was that? But I am very sorry. And... Oh, what to do? Oh. Not Wolf. I guess I got rid of them, huh, Shadow? Shadow? And it's all my fault. That is, if you'd ever forgive me. Shadow? Oh, Shadow, you've come home. I guess I'm kind of tired, too. Good night, Shadow. There, a meal fit for a Pooh Bear. Nothing can go wrong now. Piglet, stay calm.
Oh, I do enjoy best friend lunches. Oh, I suppose not. Hello, Piglet. Why, you're very welcome, I'm sure.
Pooh, I have the...
Hiccup,
but I'm not
Hiccup.
playing the...
For me? Oh, my. I like it very much, Piglet. Is it a picture of me? Friend gift. best friend.
But Pooh!
Maybe I offended him. And goodbye to you too, Piglet.
Pooh, please don't. Oh. Oh, my. The hiccups are gone. Good.
Oh, how extraordinary. An unidentified bouncing piglet. Oh, but don't fret, small fry. Now, the best way to get rid of hiccupflings is by drinking lots of water. Hiccupflings too, buddy boy. See? I told you it would work.
On my mother's side, had a surefire cure for the hiccups.
Owl,
Yes, Piglet?
It's terrifical. It's fantastical. What is it?
We must first trick the hiccups out. Now you lie down and pretend to be asleep.
I sure hope we bag our limit.
If you didn't want me to eat the cake, why'd you leave it lying around?
There was something very unusual about Piglet today. Feeling better gift. But what does one give a piglet who has everything?
This is a sure scaredy cat.
but so am I.
Try to put some more ooze in your ooze.
It always makes me feel perfectly friendly. Oof. Oh, bother.
Oh, dreadfully sorry.
What was that? Run for your lives!
Yeah.
I did?
And you got rid of my hiccups.
Oh, when?
When I wasn't saying so.
Oh, well, we can have a friendship dinner, too.
You'd better go on without me. Save yourselves.
Noble animal, I can't leave Rabbit. I will stay too.
No, I couldn't stay away and leave my bestest friends for dessert.
It's getting closer.
Yeah, and it's got noisy feet.
Hello, Rabbit. Hello, Owl. Hello, Tigger.
What happened to your hiccups?
My very best friend Pooh got rid of them when he saved my life.
Wait, if them hiccupflings are gone from Piglet.
Oh, my.
Well, oh.
I know the best ways to get rid of hiccups. First, water. Hiccups are crummy swimmers, you know.
Oh, no!
Why, that's what Tiggers do best. I'll bounce them, I'll trounce.
My mama! She wants to give me a bath.
A bath? Dirty.
Yeah!
You'll never catch me taking one.
Oh, rude. And
Help! 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 Piglet! Piglet! You gotta...
Hey, I was here first.
Wait, let go my tail.
Go see who it is, Tigger.
it's only Kanga.
Kanga!
Hide me!
Quick! It's a rhododendron now.
Piglet, I just wanted to know if...
Roo here? Nope. No Roo here. A lot of weather we've been having lately. Huh, Mrs. Kanga?
Oh, yes, quite a lot. Be going.
Oh, boy.
I almost forgot.
We gotta save the little feller.
But Tigger, save